Hello everyone. Today's topic is how to divide two mixed fractions. So let's start. Now look at this question. Which type of fraction is given to us? 2 is to 7 by 8. This is a mixed fraction. 5 is to 1 by 2. This is also a mixed fraction. So what is the first step? When mixed fractions are given to us, first we convert them into improper fraction. So we will multiply denominator with the whole number and add the numerator. Similarly, in the second fraction also, we will multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the numerator. So 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. Denominator will remain the same. Now divide sign. Now take the second fraction. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 by 2. So when we are dividing two fractions, we'll remember the rule of keep, switch, and flip. So what we will do here, we will keep the first fraction as it is. So 23 by 8 will remain the same. Now division sign is given to us as we cannot divide two fractions. So what we will do, we will switch this division sign into multiplication sign. And third one, now we will flip the second fraction. So 11 will come down and 2 will come up. So it will be 2 by 11. Now we will solve it. How to multiply two fractions? We will multiply the numerator and denominator respectively. So 23 2s are 46. 11 8s are 88. Now, as it is not the final answer, now what we will do, we will divide 46 and 88 by the highest common factor. So, think about it that 46 and 88 comes in which table? These two numbers comes in the table of 2. These two numbers comes in the table of, is there any other table in which these two number comes? Think over it. Okay, so there is only one table in which 46 and 88 both come. So what we will do, we will divide the numerator and denominator by this 2. So 46 divided by 2, what do we get? 23. 88 divided by 2, what do we get? 44. So 23 by 44 is the final answer. Now let's take one more question. 4 by 1 divided by 4 is to 1 by 3. Now the first fraction is improper fraction and the second fraction is a mixed fraction. So what we will do, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 by 1 will remain same, sign of division. Now 3 multiplied by 4 and plus 1. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 3. Now, which rule we will follow? We will follow the rule of keep, switch, and flip. So, we will keep the first fraction as it is. Now, between fraction, division is not possible. So, we will switch the sign of division into multiplication and we will flip the second fraction. So, it will be 3 by 13. Now, how to multiply two fractions? We will multiply the numerators and we will multiply the denominators. 4 3s are 12, 13 1s are 30. So 12 by 13. Check. Is this the final answer? How do we check? Is there any table in which 12 and 13 both number comes? Think over it. No, there is no table in which 12 and 13 both come. So this is the simplest form and it is the final answer. Okay, now take one more question. Now the first fraction is a mixed fraction and the second fraction is a proper fraction and we will divide both the fractions. So first of all, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how we will do? Multiply 11 and 6 and add 5. 11 6 are 66 plus 5 is 71. Denominator will remain the same. Divide 4 by 121. Now we will follow the rule of keep, switch and flip. So what we will do? We will keep the first fraction as it is. So 71 by 11 remains same. We will switch the sign of division into multiplication and we will flip the second fraction. So it will be 121 by 4. Now, we all know how to multiply two fractions. So what we will do? We will multiply 71 by 121 and 11 by 4. So make a rough column and multiply the numerators and denominator respectively. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 7 ones are 7, plus 1 is carry. So when we multiply the numerator, here it comes 8,591. And denominators, we can orally multiply 11 fours are 44. So, is this the final answer? No, because 8,591 and 44 both comes in the table of 11. So, we will divide the numerator as well as denominator by 11. So, again we have to divide 8,591 by 11. 11 sevens are 77. When you subtract, you will get 8. 9 will come down. 11 eights are 88. When you subtract, you will get 1. And this 1 will come down. 11 ones are 11. So when we divided these two numbers, what we got? We got 781. And when we divide the denominator, what do we get? In the table of 11, where 44 comes at 4. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, please write up in the comment box.